How's it going? My name is Jared Themey, and this is my 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 Overland build. So the first thing we did here is in the front bumper. It's from a Chassis Unlimited company out of Livermore. We did a whole 3D model scan of the front of the Chevy, and it's a fully custom front bumper. It comes equipped with KC lights and factory 55 lead, some Rhino D-rings, and then if you move over here, we have the Method 105 beadlock wheels mounted on Toyo Tires Open Country AT3 305 7017s. So they're a size that fits in between about a 33 and a 35-inch tire. They're about 33.9 overall inflated diameter. And the suspension is a Pro Chuck Stage 2 system from Eibach.
And what's great about this kit is they come with these adjustable coilovers in the front. And you can adjust them on the fly from 1.75 inches all the way to 4 inches. And that was perfect for this build.
In the rear, we have a add-a-leaf kit from Dever. It gives us another 1.5 inches of lift in the rear, and accompanied by those sport shocks from Eibach. We went ahead and went with a front runner rack that's actually designed for a Dodge Ram 1500, but we wanted something with taller legs in the rear so we get clearance for the spare tire, which is a Baja style spare tire carrier mounted on custom pre-runner mounts from Expedition 1. I couldn't really find a company that made pre-runner mounts for the bed of the truck and then side rails. So I have a construction background, and so does my father. So we came up with this idea of using unistruts, which are commonly used in buildings to hang fixtures or things of that nature. So they use a spring nut that jams into the rail, and then you can just use any bolt or attachment. So that's how we mounted the Expedition 1 Baja tire carrier. And then right here you'll see we have a Pelican 1535 travel case. So we can, the storage solutions and mounting are endless. We can strap down coolers, we can put Pelican cargo saddle mounts. There's saddle mounted cases in the truck, and it just allows us for so much versatility, and something that is kind of unique to this truck. We put in iCamper SkyCamp Mini. We love it. We love how sleek it is, the design of it, and it's really good aerodynamics when you're driving on a trail, and it doesn't move at all. We have the basic recovery equipment from a high lift jack, some MaxTrax boards, and then a jerry can from Rotopax, making sure we're never running out of gas. And just in the rear here, we installed a rough country bumper. We didn't want to go too heavy in the rears, not something that we wanted to really spend a ton of money on because we just needed it for functionality. So the rough country bumper keeps that side step, so if we need to get to the tent or any camping gear or whatnot, we can still have it. We have lights that are hooked up to the cargo lights, so we clip on those cargo lights and can light up our whole campsite, and it retains our factory hitch in the back. So that's our Overland build, something super clean, super minimal, and something that you don't see every day because Chevy Silverados are hopefully new and coming on the trail.